Status Audio has been promoting the Between Pro earbuds all over social media, especially their Facebook page. You go to their page, video after video, post after post, touting these triple driver earbuds because they have a 10mm dynamic driver, plus they have 2 extra BA drivers in each earbud. They come equipped with physical buttons up top, as you can see here, and they have 36 hours of battery life. I will elaborate on that in due time. They also have 4 microphones, 2 on each earbud, and Bluetooth 5.2 with a max range of 117 feet. And you're getting all of this for 149 bones. You go on Status Audio's website, as you can see right here on this card, and Amazon. They are the same price. Now, before I go any further, let me show you what all comes inside the box. You get this very cool looking user manual with pictures and such, showing you how to operate the earbuds, how to control them, how to get the right fit, FCC warning, blah, 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 blah. You also get this card with a thank you from the CEO, and this is how you can reach out to them on their socials. And if you have a problem with the earbuds, there's a website. Pause the video if you want to write that down. Also, you get inside this little part, you get some ear fits or ear wings. You get 3 sets, small, medium, and large. You also get 3 sets of silicone tips, small, medium, and large. You know, I already got the SpinFit CP360s on here, so don't need to use those. If they're going to compete with the AirPods Pro first gen, because I ain't got 2nd gen yet, what extra features do the Status Between Pros have? 0. These don't have ANC. They don't have Qi wireless charging. You don't have multi-point. You don't have infrared sensors to detect whether or not they're in your ears or not. And you don't get a companion app. But the Between Pros, they do have 12 hours on a single charge with the earbuds and 24 hours of battery with the charging case. So you add all that together, you're getting 36 hours. I've had no luck trying to kill these things. Even after working an 8-hour shift, I still had plenty of juice left. And a charging case, I believe, will give you 3 extra recharges. So that's really good. I think with these, well, I bought these refurbished. I can probably get about 2 recharges with the charging case. But the battery life on these on a single charge, not good. So 5 out of 5 for the Status Between Pros. They beat Apple in that regard. But what about the control? Well, as you can see up top, these are the buttons right between the microphones, and they control everything, even the volume. You're getting 4 main commands. A single press on the left and the right controls the music, that's pause and play. A double press on the left and right controls volume up, volume down. A triple press on the left and the right controls your voice assistant, whichever one you use. I don't use Bixby. I hate Bixby. A long press on the left and right controls previous and next track. The AirPods Pro 1st gen, they don't have volume controls. So Between Pros, they do beat the AirPods Pro in that regard. 5 out of 5. I hate having to pull out my phone to turn music up or down. Now for my favorite segment in my reviews, and that is, can I go deaf? How loud do these earbuds get at max volume? I was testing these out earlier, and they got up to 119. I think that was the peak. I thought originally they were like 112, 113. Let's see if I can get that high again. So I'm gonna pull out my decimal meter, and I'm gonna pull out my V60. So I already got some music. I already got Qbuds open up on here. One gripe I have with these is they are really difficult to take out of the case because of the way they're seated into the charging case. You have to pull them from the top. Just make sure you grab this portion right here, like that. That kind of makes it easier to take out. I was trying to take them out like this. Nah, just turn it to the side. Just turn it to the side and pull them out like that. Now, let's see. Max volume initiated. Let's see how loud. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I listened to some jazz earlier. Just getting into the mood for recording. Oh, 115. That's good. 109. Let's see, 108. Let me see if I can get back up to that 119 that I got before. Doesn't look like I am. Nope. But yeah, they get pretty loud. 119 was the peak before. Before that was 113. Just off of this song, I'm sure if I use like um, hip hop and R&B or rock music, it'll probably get that a lot louder. So, and for some reason they're still playing. I don't know why. Okay. Status between pros, they get louder than the AirPods Pro first gen because AirPods Pro first gen they get up to like 186. Apple has some type of algorithm that they're using to keep. Oh my God, I'm about to get hit. I'm about to get hit. I'm about to get hit with a strike. AirPods Pro first gen, they got to around 86 dB. That was their peak, between 75, 86. These, I tested them out. At first, it was 112, 113. Then all of a sudden, it jumped to 119. 5 out of 5. Good sound. They get loud enough. Do not cap in my comment. Now, I saved the best for last, and that is the sound quality. Now, since these have triple drivers inside of them, and that's what Stadio Audio is touting, is the audio performance because of the triple drivers. So that would mean that the sound quality on these is very good. Yes, they are very good. At first, I was expecting a deep V sound signature with elevated bass, reduced mid-range, and elevated treble. That wasn't the case. To me, they sound balanced with a slight bass boost. The bass, it has that really good slam, that good presence. The vocals are very natural and organic sounding. And the bass is rolled off, but it has enough extension to where it's not fatiguing, but you're getting a lot of detail and clarity. Sound is really good, and of course, it better be for 149 bones. To wrap up this video, I'm going to go ahead and do a mic test in a quiet and a loud environment and let you decide, whether or not the microphones on these are any good. But the sound quality, going back to that, is very good. But there's a lot of earbuds for less to have good sound quality. This is a mic test of the Status Audio Between Pro in a quiet environment. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And this is the Status Audio Between Pro with ambient background noise playing to simulate a crowded environment when you're on the telephone. As always, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of the microphones. And with that being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.